In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 basic ways to create a PDF file on your Mac. The first method uses Quick Actions, which is usually used for image files. For example, I have an image right here. I'll right-click on it, then select Quick Actions. You'll see a menu called Create PDF. Click that, and it creates a PDF file for you instantly. Now, if the file you want to convert doesn't support Quick Actions, let's say I have a text file here with a .txt format. When you right-click and go to Quick Actions, you won't see the Create PDF option. So go ahead and open that file up. Then go to the File menu on the menu bar and select Export as PDF. That will give you the PDF file you also need. Let's take another example when you want to convert a document from Microsoft Word to PDF. When you're in the Microsoft Word app, find the File menu on the menu bar. Here, select Save As. In the File Format section, choose the PDF option. Pick a folder to save it in, then hit Export. And there you have your PDF. Now, when Export as PDF or Save As aren't available, while you are in the app window, press Command P, or go to the File menu and select Print. Here you can choose which pages to print. But instead of clicking the Print button, select the PDF option on the left side. You can also set a password by clicking Security Options. Enter your password, click OK, and then Save. Now your PDF file will have a lock icon in the Finder window. When you want to open this file, you'll have to enter that password. To wrap it up, whenever you need to create a PDF for a document on your Mac, just use Quick Actions, the Export menu, or the Print function. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.